Naperville, Illinois, the unconstitutional city by law, weapons, and supply.
Hello everybody, Robert Bevis here from Law Weapons in Naperville. Law Weapons is a firearm dealer, manufacturer, and importer, and we've been around since about 2009 we opened to the public. What happened in Naperville is a tragedy, if you don't know already. Back in August of 2022, Naperville decided to pass an ordinance banning the commercial sale of what they call assault rifles. Now, we all know their definition of assault rifle is really just a semi-automatic rifle that everybody loves to own. But in their eyes, they're scary and, they want to virtue signal and try to, use political theater to get their way so they can get a better position. Because if they don't get this notoriety, then they're just average Joe at home mowing their lawn. It's not the money. It's the political, livelihood that they have. It's like crack to them. They have to constantly be in the spotlight and be the center of attention and have people going, "Oh, Mr. Council Member, can I do this or can I do that or can you help me with this?" That's their life. And what they don't seem to care about is anybody's civil rights. We have rights in this country. The right to free speech in our First Amendment, and religion, and our Second Amendment to keep and bear arms. And their intent is to disarm the civilian population. It's coming from a much higher area, like the government, and even Biden. Joe Biden has weaponized ATF and made executive order after executive order attacking gun shops and gun ranges, and they're doing their best to disarm us. That's their goal. Well, when Naperville filed this, or actually when they enacted this ordinance in August of 2022, my family and I sat back and said, hey, this is a violation of our rights and everybody else's rights out there. Should we just pack up and move, or should we stand and fight? Well, we decided to fight. So we filed a federal lawsuit against the city of Naperville. And then we started watching our numbers fall. The media sent information out where people thought we were already closed and that we were going to be shut down, and the media misappropriating that information wound up costing us probably more than half of our customers thought that we were out of business, so they went to other gun shops. The bad part about that is that even with all of the good that Law Weapons has done over the years, the reduced transfer fees, the gunsmithing, the machining, the custom laser engraving, all the stuff we do for everybody. We trained thousands and thousands of people in concealed carry. We've requalified police officers, security guards, private detectives. We've donated to different organizations, that support law enforcement in our community. We've, destroyed, tens of thousands of firearms that were considered crime guns that, police departments demanded that they be destroyed. We've done that. We've serialized firearms for people that, didn't want to fall into the ghost gun law that Biden brought in. We've just been a good company out there providing a great service for our community, and we're losing. So in January of 2023, the state enacted a law banning assault weapons in the state of Illinois, along with high-capacity magazines, which are standard capacity magazines, but anything more than 2 rounds is high capacity to them. But, when the state did that, Naperville didn't say, okay, the state's got a law now, let's back off and drop our ordinance. No, they want to spearhead this. They want to be the city that stopped guns, It's ridiculous. The city of Naperville has now basically a vendetta against lawful weapons because we challenged them. So they're staying there fighting with your tax dollars against us when they could easily let the state carry the water. But no. The corrupt council members like Jennifer Taylor, Ian Holitzer, Benny White, they have an agenda and they don't care who they trample on. They will step right in your face, right over you, to simply get their seat for the next 2 years. It's incredible. Benny White is a military guy, and so is Ian. Neither one of them give a damn about your constitutional rights, even though they swore an oath to uphold it and to protect you. They swore an oath to protect our constitutional rights, and they're violating it. The oath means nothing to them. You mean nothing to them. We have to vote these people out of office. These people that violate our civil rights, they take an oath and then turn around and do the opposite, those people need to be voted out. We got to look at all these council members. 8 council members out of 9, including the mayor, all voted for gun bans to take guns away from you and your family and to remove your civil rights, and this can't continue. So that's our other message here is we have to make sure that we attend every campaign that they go to and make sure that it's heard that they don't care about anybody's rights. It's all political theater. We have to make sure they don't get in office anymore, and that's our goal. We will spend the next couple of years fighting those council members and making sure that we tell as many people as possible exactly who they really are and help stop them from staying in office and violating our rights. Law Weapons is at a financial hardship road here. We're currently at the 7th District Appellate Court and waiting for a ruling that has been fully briefed and oral arguments have been given. We are confident we're going to win this case. The law is the law. The Supreme Court ruled in both Heller and Bruin that our right to keep and bear arms is a supercharged right and that you can't ban firearms. But are they trying? Of course they are. And you know what they're going to say when they lose? Well, we did our best. If you make us president, then we'll make more laws and we'll be able to fix this. Thanks so much for your support. And it's a money grab. It's political theater. It's a joke. I could not understand why somebody would do that. For what little money they make, what, 15 grand a year? I don't even know. But why would somebody trample on all these people's rights? For what? Something I just couldn't recognize, could not conceive of was possible. But it is. It absolutely is. So what we're asking as a fellow American and in an industry that's very hard to deal with the ATF rules and the state laws and the all of the hardship you get from banks and credit card processors and just trying to run a small business and provide for a family has been overwhelming, but something that we believe in strongly, and that's why we do it. So what we're asking is that somebody out there help us. Maybe there's a billionaire out there that could just write a check and help us stay open and continue this fight. Or with your donations. If half the FOID card holders in the state just sent in $1, it would be fantastic. We could stay open, continue the fight, and take down this tyranny together. But we really need your help. So we're asking, please, donate to our Give Send Go account. It's givesendgo.com/lawweapons. Go to our website. You'll be able to find it there. Call us on the phone. You can do a credit card over the phone. Stop by and shake our hand and, drop something in the kitty for us. Just help us, please. Help us help you fight this fight. If they succeed at putting us out of business, it's going to affect you and everybody else in the state of Illinois for probably another year. We'll wind up having to register all of our firearms under this law. They're going to make criminals out of millions of people in a blink of an eye. So this is time to put your feet on the ground, boots on the ground, and help us fight this fight. We'd also like to let you know about a few videos that we've done, interviews with Washington Gun Law and Greg Bishop on air, as well as Jeanne Ives. And we're going to link those in the bottom here so that you can view them. And you can always go on our website, our YouTube channel, and see some of the videos there. I'm also going to give you both presentations, the original council meeting that I went to before they enacted this, as well as the one when they did enact this. So you'll be able to really get a good view of what's happening here and where these people are. But thanks again. Hope to talk to you guys in the next video. Please like and subscribe. Send your comments. We'd like to hear them. And we definitely answer all the comments that come in or any questions that are asked. You're also welcome to stop by the store. And this is a new channel for us, so we don't have a whole bunch of visitors and subscribers, but we ask you to spread the word, subscribe, and like our channel, and come in and meet us and talk in person. From our family to yours, thank you. See you in the store.